Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by installing and signing in. Make sure the app has file and network permissions so features work reliably. Once done, open link windows and select or create a workspace to house your links. You should connect the same account you use on other devices to enable sync. This prevents mismatched items later. Now locate the plus or new link button and prepare the target URL or file. These first actions set a stable base for creating consistent, shareable links. Next, you create and configure each link. Pick whether it points to a web URL, local file, or app feature, and give it a clear title so others recognize its purpose. Then set permissions and expiration if you want limited access, and toggle sync options to propagate changes across devices. Make sure to use folders and tags. This helps when you scale up. Once organized, preview a link to confirm the destination and behavior before moving on to sharing or automation steps. To finish, test each link on the device where it will be used and confirm it opens the intended target. This validates permissions and paths. Then share via copy, email, QR code, or team settings depending on your audience, and make sure recipients have access rights. Finally, back up your workspace or export settings so you can restore quickly. If something fails, check app permissions, network connectivity, and sync status first. Most problems stem from blocked access or a forgotten sign-in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.